Doing smoky eye scares you? Well, you're not alone. Today I'm going to be showing you the best way to put it off without looking like a freaking panda or like you lost a fight. Okay, so keep watching. So first thing first, I'm going to spray my face with this Morphe Prep Setting Mist. Next, I'm going to apply my Kiko Matte Base Primer. Like so. Now I'm going to rub everything in using my fingers. And what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to make sure to apply it all the places that I tend to, you know, get oily. So that was it for the primer. Now I'm going to apply my foundation. This one is from Nars. It's the Radiant Longwear Foundation. And what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to apply it on the back of my hand like so. Just pump it. Then I'm going to use this brush from Kiko to apply it on my face like so. So this makeup look is obviously for all my girls that, you know, I don't do clean girl makeup. Like, we don't do that here. We don't do that clean girl thing over here. Like, I see it, I respect it, but it's not for me. It's not for me. I mean, what is the essence of buying this whole makeup if I'm not going to apply it? Like, I don't have much product, but like I have like few palettes. So what is the essence of buying it if I'm not gonna use it, or if I'm just going to use all the just the neutral shades when I have like palettes that has like shimmers, glitters, pinks, purples, and so why shouldn't I use it? So I mean, that's just me. So this makeup look is basically for all my girls that truly love makeup. First and foremost, love makeups. They can wear it to, you know, to a party. They can wear it to, I don't know, for my Nigerian girls, they can wear it to do their traditional marriage. They can wear it, you know, for events, for like good events that needs you to be, you know, very extra. Yeah, that is who this makeup look is for. It's for my girls that love to put things on, okay, that are not scared to apply makeup, that are not scared to apply foundation, concealers, you know. Yeah. So now I'm going to create the eye makeup look, and what I'm going to do first is prep my eye using this concealer. This is the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Mocha. Next, I'm going to mattify my eyelid using the Too Faced Born This Way soft blur powder, setting powder. So what I'm doing here is basically mattifying my eyebrow so it doesn't get greasy, because once I'm done with my eyeshadow, my eyebrows will be nice. Now to create my eye makeup look, I'm going to be using this palette right here. Is the one from Anastasia Beverly Hills. First, I'm going to be starting with this two shades right here. It's called New Yorker and OG. I'm going to use those two shades here. Now I'm going to use this two shade right here, this brown one and this one. It's like a deep purple color, and I'm going to use it as my transition shade. Now I'm going to finally apply the black eyeshadow, and obviously I'm going to be using this black one. It's called BK, like so. And what I'm going to do also is I'm going to drag it all the way here as well. eyelid. Once again, don't be scared, it's just products. If you don't get it at the first time, you can always try again. First you don't succeed, you can always try again. I don't know the lyrics, but you guys know who I'm singing. You guys know that I'm singing Aaliyah. We love Aaliyah in this house. That's it. This is what it looks like so far. Don't worry, I know I look crazy, but I'm going to correct everything. But first I'm going to do my eyebrows. I'm using the Kiko eyebrow pencil in the shade 05, by the way. Using this Nyx Brow glue, I'm going to put my brows in place because they tend to get all over the places. All right, that's it for the brows. Moving on next to the concealer, I'm going to apply it a small amount. Now I'm going to apply my bronzer. I'm using the Makeup by Mario bronzer in the shade Dark. And I'm going to use the brush that I used earlier to apply my foundation, to apply my bronzer. Now let's blend everything. Now I'm going to blend my forehead. Dragging it all the way to my smile lines. Then the under eye.
In the meantime, never feed into the lies. You know your heart desires, shorty giving that stuff, but she fed up. Shorty giving that stuff.
Next step is the blush, and I'm going to apply it on my, obviously on my cheekbone. And this blush is the one from Morphe. It's called Après. I'm going to drag it all the way here. I don't want it to be too much though, because I want the focus to be on my eyes. So yeah, blending out everything with my beauty blender. Using the same powder that I used earlier, I'm going to use it to mattify my under eye. Now I'm going to set my blush using the powdered side of the blush that I used earlier while smiling. Not too much, because like I said, I want the focus to be on my eyes, nose. There you have it. Now I'm going to set my under eye using the Huda Beauty setting powder. I'm going to use a beauty blender for this. So using the Huda Beauty setting powder, I'm going to use it to press it under my eye, like so. No, just press it in. It's like I'm pushing the product, the setting powder, in while trying to mattify my under eye. On my forehead, I'm not baking. I'm going to use a lighter shade to bake just my under eye. Doing the same thing on my nose, pressing it in, and then I'm going to press my this side of my nose. I'm going to repeat the same thing on the other side. There you have it. So moving on, next I'm going to use this shade Go that I use as a transition shade. I'm going to use that on my other on the eye, just to, you know, make it bold. Now to complete my eye look, I'm going to use this pencil from Kiko to darken my waterline. Alright, now I'm going to do my mascara and lashes off camera, and I'm going to be right back. So I'm back. I've done my lashes. Now I'm going to do my bottom lashes. I'm going to be using the Essence lashes. So that's it for the eyes, but we are not done yet. I'm going to apply this Cpop highlighter from Becca. I'm going to use this brush and I'm going to use it to apply it on my inner corner. Then moving on, I'm going to apply it on the tip of my nose, like so. Then on the bridge of my nose, like so. So pretty. Now I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty setting powder in the shade Banana, and I'm going to use it to set my under eye. Like so. And while it's set, I'm going to do my lips. To do my lips, I'm going to use this brown pencil that I got from my beauty local store. And honestly, the brown lip liners from there are always the best. For some reason, I don't know, I feel like they are the best. Then I'm going to use this lipstick from Kiko in the shade Velvet Passion. As you can see, I'm dabbing the product in and I'm not rubbing it. I don't know if I should leave it matte or if I should apply a lip gloss. I feel like I should apply a lip gloss. What do we think? I mean, it's good like this, it's cute, but I'd rather a lip gloss. So for that, I'm going to use these two shades from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm going to use this one to do the middle of my lips. I mean, it's still cute like this, but I'm extra, so we are going to add this sparkling lip gloss over it. The gloss is so much better for this look. Honestly, so much better. Love it. Now I'm going to dust off my setting powder. Now to finish off everything, I'm going to spray this setting mist from Morphe. Now using my beauty blender, I'm going to use it to dab everything in. Et voila for this makeup look. What do you think? I love it so much. This is so pretty. Like, this is the perfect makeup for like a traditional wedding or like a special event where you need to be kind of extra, or like, you know, for a party, for the club. I'm not a club person, but like if you are, you can do this makeup look. So that's it, you guys, for this makeup look. If you liked it, please do not hesitate to subscribe and like. Thank you for watching.